When systems have to survive the most extreme conditions, standard CATS connectors just won't cut it. That's why Amphenol Aerospace developed the Phoenix high-temperature hermetic connector that is built for high-temp, high-vibration, harsh environments. Phoenix operates from -55 Celsius all the way to 450 Celsius, providing a hermetic seal that protects power and data even in the most extreme temperatures. Its stainless steel shell and ceramic inserts deliver strength and stability, while milled ETL 38999 style interface makes integration with existing harnesses seamless. So where does Phoenix shine? In aircraft engine bays and APU enclosures, where electronics are constantly exposed to heat and vibration. In launch vehicles and spacecraft propulsion areas where reliable performance is critical. And in power generation and energy storage systems, where components face punishing thermal and environmental stress every day. With options for box mount or weld flange styles, Phoenix adapts to your packaging needs without sacrificing reliability. When conditions are at the toughest, Phoenix keeps your mission connected. Visit Amphenol Aerospace to learn more or request your quote today.